Assalamualaikum. Today we will present our proposal for Masa Studio. It is a junior organisation that specialises in online sport news broadcasting. Okay, my name is Akil Wizani bin Muhammad Izan, and my group member is Ahmad Farizal bin Basri, Muhammad Afizuddin, and Farah Hisham. The business need a secure network and a network with architecture and security measure. The business require a server farm that can only be accessible over the internet, restricting external access to private network but allowing internal network to connect with external network via the internet. We have been given the chance to design 3-tier network, which is including core layer, distribution layer and access layer, with at least 2 functions on each layer. We need to identify the device should be placed in every layer in our diagram. Our design must complete with the labeling of every device and layer must be segmented. Develop a server farm and private network and apply at least 2 security measurement in our topology. Follow the requirement from company and we prepare a proposal. A 3-tier architecture is a client server architecture in which the functional progress, logic, data access, computer data storage and user interface are developed and maintained as independent module on separate platform. Okay, first one, network. Our network information, we create 3-tier network. First one, core layer, we put 2 router PT, 2 firewall and 2 multi-layer switch. On distribution layer, we put 2 multi-layer switch. On access layer, we put 3 switch, 2 access point, 3 PC and 2 laptop. Okay, so here our physical topology. Okay, timeline and network resource. Prepare the planning schedule to implement the design. Introduction, day 1 and day 2. Network information, day 2 to day 5. Installation and configuration, day 4 to day 6. Maintain and downtimes, 4 day to 6 day. Prepare bill of material, BOM, 4 day to 6 day. Summary and conclusion, summary and conclusion, 7 day. Prepare the listing of device used in the design. Device router, quantity 2. Switch, quantity 3. Multi-layer switch, quantity 4. Firewall, quantity 2. Access point, quantity 2. PC, quantity 3 and laptop, quantity 2. Prepare the listing of software and service required in the design. For software, use Cisco Packetizer and Cloud. Installation and configuration. Installation method used to implement the design. Network installation. Network installation, after known as net install, is the process of installing a program from a shared network resource by first installing a minimal system and then downloading additional packet over the network. This might just be a duplicate of the original media, but software publisher that sell site licenses for institutional client might also give a network ready version. Device configuration. This is device configuration for HQ. Next is HR configuration. For access point 0,
First, click on config, then click on port 1, choose WEP and enter WEP key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. For access point 1, first click on config, then click on port 1, then choose WEP and enter WEP key 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. To connect laptop 0 to access point 0, open laptop 0, click config and then wireless. Choose WEP and enter WEP key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. To connect laptop 1 to access point 1, open laptop 1, click config and then wireless. Choose WEP and enter WEP key 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. To connect PC 0 to access point 0, open PC 0, click config and then wireless. Choose WEP and enter WEP key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0. To connect PC 1 to access PC 1, open PC 1, click config and then wireless. Choose WEP and enter WEP key 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0.
Okay, for maintenance and downtimes, hardware and software maintenance schedule. Delete temporary internet file and Windows file, we do daily. For weekly, run virus scan and window update. Okay. For monthly, run disk cleanup, run scan disk, check for update to Adobe Reader. And then clean device and backup and restore, we do annually. Disaster recovery should implement in the design. A network disaster recovery plan is a set of procedures designed to prepare an organization to respond to an interruption of network service during a natural man-made catastrophe. Voice data, internet access and other network service often share the same network resource. A network disaster recovery plan ensures that all resources and services that rely on the network are backed up and running in the event of an interruption within certain specified time frame. A network disaster recovery plan also identifies specific issues and threats related to an organization network operation. This can include the interruption caused by loss of voice data connectivity and result of network provide problem or disaster caused by natural or human activity. Emergency contact and action. List the IT network emergency team member and their contact information at the front of the plan for fast access. A list of initial emergency response actions should also be up front. Emergency management procedure. Provide step-by-step procedures on how network will be reconfigured and data accessed. What outside help might be needed and how staff will be accommodated for each different kind of potential disaster. Checklist and diagram. Include checklists that prioritize hardware and software restoration and network flow diagram that make it easy for technical support staff to quick access information they may need. Data collection. Describe the information that might be needed before officially declaring a network disruption, including network performance data and staff and a first responder report. Disaster recovery. Provide instruction on restoring network operation connectivity, device and related activity.
Okay, bill of materials. Total cost for router PT is 190 ringgit. Multi-layer switch 1728 ringgit. Switch PT 104 ringgit and 40 cent. Laptop 4600 ringgit. PC 5400 ringgit. Firewall 5400 ringgit. Access point 706 ringgit. Total up for all of this cost is 18,124 ringgit 40 cent. Okay. For summary is, in conclusion, the chief benefit of three-tier architecture is logical and physical separation of functionality. Each tier can run on a separate operating system and server platform. For example, web server, application server, database server. That best fits is functional for our design requirements. Each tier can be developed simultaneously by different teams, and an organization can bring the application to market faster, and programmers can use the latest and best language and tools for each tier. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.